Iron ore was mined from Thacker Ridge and Cobb Mountain. The ore was piled in this area until it was needed for the furnace. According to old records, the ore was worth about 25 cents per ton in the bench undug. I don't know what that means. Wages for digging the ore varied according to location and facilities, but averaged about $2 per ton. The principal ore used in the Fitchburg furnace was limonite, Limonite, which is usually found above St. Louis limestone formations and is known as limestone ore. There is usually a considerable thickness of fine white shale and clay above the ore. The limonite ore was the most valuable because it was easily smelted and produced a better grade of iron. Once the charge was added, it was time for the blast. The steam blast hissed through the blast pipe into the nozzle that penetrated the upper part of the hearth and then roared as it expanded with the heat. Due to the intense heat, 2,000 to 3,000 degrees, the oxygen in the ore began to combine with the charcoal, leaving the iron to settle in a more or less pure state. The iron and the slag settled in the hearth, the heavier iron on the bottom, while the slag floated on top. The slag spilled over a dam on the side of the furnace and was directed into a pit or hollow. The molten iron was held back by a stone dam in the face of the hearth until the iron was ready to be drawn into the casting shed.